Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to participate in the One Football Club airdrop. So if you don't know what One Football is, it is a platform for football news, live matches, highlights, scores and more, just like goal.com. So they recently started their new airdrop. So this is how you can join the airdrop. So I'll leave a link down below in the description so you can join. So when you click the link, and you can also participate using your computer, so you cannot do it on phone, you need your computer to participate in this airdrop. So when you click on the link, it will ask you to connect your wallet. So your wallet address is like your username and password. When you connect it is how you sign. So let me click on sign in and I'll connect my wallet. I use MetaMask, so click on connect. You can use Coinbase wallet and other wallets. So click on next. So we need to sign in. And now we are good to go, so let it finish signing, and by final, so it is successful. So once you sign in, this is your profile. So you click on profile, you can see it is the wallet address. So here you need to connect your social media accounts. This is the wallet address, it's already connected. So you connect your Discord, your Twitter and your Focaster. Then you go back. And this shows your balance. So the native token is called balls. So you can see I have 320 balls. So when you click on your profile and connect your wallet, they will give you 320 balls. As you can see, I already have it. So this is how you can earn balls, by completing these tasks. This is the task. When you complete it, you can see there are various tasks that I need to complete. So when you join this app 8 and play or FC striker, you get 50 balls. When you complete this task, you get 50 balls. So that is how you accumulate balls, you can see. And they also have a daily check-in, just like TapSwap and other airdrops. So when every day you come and claim 5 balls, when you come here, click, and it is pretty simple. So that is it for today's video. I'll leave a link down below in the description so you can join, and I'll also leave a link down below to my Telegram channel where I post about other new airdrops. I also post tutorials. So if you are not on our Telegram channel, I'll leave a link down below so you can join in. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can stay updated about new airdrop. Thank you and see you in the next video.